Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic English Story World.
Good morning, Ravi. How are you today?
Good morning, ma'am. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am doing well. Did you complete your homework yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. I completed it, but I found some questions difficult.
That's okay. Learning becomes better when we face difficulties. Which question was hard for you?
The grammar exercise about tenses confused me. I could not understand when to use present perfect tense.
That is a common problem for many students. Let me explain. We use the present perfect tense when an action happened in the past but still has importance now.
Can you give me an example, ma'am?
Of course. For example, I have finished my homework. It means the work is completed and the result is important now.
Oh, I understand now. So it connects the past and the present.
Exactly. You are learning quickly. Do you practice English speaking at home?
I try, ma'am, but sometimes I feel shy while speaking English.
Feeling shy is normal. Confidence comes with practice. You should speak English every day, even if you make mistakes.
My friends laugh when I speak wrong English. That makes me nervous.
Never worry about others' opinions. Mistakes are part of learning. Even experts made mistakes when they started.
That makes me feel better, ma'am. I want to speak English fluently someday.
You definitely can. Tell me, why do you want to learn English?
I want better career opportunities and also confidence while talking to people.
That is a very good reason. English helps in communication, education, and professional growth.
Ma'am, how many hours should I study English daily?
Even 30 minutes of daily practice is enough if you stay consistent. Focus on reading, listening, speaking, and writing.
I usually read English stories. Is that helpful?
Yes, reading stories improves vocabulary and sentence structure. Try reading aloud to improve pronunciation.
Sometimes I don't understand difficult words.
When you find a new word, write it in a notebook and learn its meaning and usage.
That sounds like a good idea. I will start doing that today.
Excellent. Do you watch English videos or movies?
Yes, ma'am. I watch English conversations on YouTube.
That is very helpful. Listen carefully to pronunciation and try repeating sentences.
Should I translate sentences into Hindi while learning?
In the beginning, translation helps, but slowly try thinking directly in English.
Thinking in English seems difficult.
It feels difficult at first, but with practice it becomes natural.
Ma'am, sometimes I forget words while speaking.
That happens to everyone. Instead of stopping, try explaining the idea using simple words.
So communication is more important than perfect grammar?
Absolutely. Communication is the main goal of language.
Thank you, ma'am. Your advice always motivates me.
I am happy to hear that. Tell me about your daily routine in English.
I wake up at 6 in the morning, exercise for some time, and then get ready for school.
Very good. Continue.
After school, I complete my homework and help my parents at home.
That shows responsibility. Do you also make time for revision?
Yes, ma'am. I revise lessons at night before sleeping.
Excellent habit. Revision strengthens memory.
Ma'am, how can I improve my pronunciation?
Listen to native speakers and repeat sentences loudly. Practice in front of a mirror.
Practicing in front of a mirror sounds interesting.
It improves confidence and body language.
Sometimes I feel afraid of speaking on stage.
Stage fear is common. Start by speaking in small groups, then gradually speak before larger audiences.
I will try participating in school activities.
That will help you a lot. Confidence grows through experience.
Ma'am, do successful people also practice daily?
Yes, success always comes from discipline and regular effort.
I want to become successful and make my parents proud.
With dedication and hard work, you surely will.
Thank you for encouraging me, ma'am.
You are welcome. Remember, learning is a continuous journey.
I will never stop learning.
That is the spirit. Now, please prepare a short speech in English for tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. I will prepare it.
Good. Practice speaking loudly and clearly.
I will do my best.
I believe in you, Rahul.
Thank you, ma'am. Your support means a lot to me.
Keep practicing and stay confident.
Sure, ma'am. Have a nice day.
You too. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, ma'am.